Thank you so much. And we also thank you for giving us the 2 slots for the Amandip cases for the last years. But since I got into these trainings by your call, there is, and after here, we are going to be team. Clap again. Asante sana. Ongeza tena. What an amazing time.
You may have a break and then you lunch. I don't have one. Responding to the husband, not to the person asking questions. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Could this happen? Yes. And then they see the police officer's face and suggest that that wasn't the right answer. So then they say out of the situation. So if it is somebody that is defiling a child, the child might look like they're letting them defile them because it's easy.
Yes. How are you? How's life? You are here.
Oh, my best. Ha, my best. Hey. After everything that you did last time, now what I did.
Slow down. We always have that photo flow, and we accelerate and come back in time. Is that? She's a lady, so thank you. She has the church, Chimanya, so in case you get time, you can visit that church. Yes? So we're all sitting around, is it? Let us go to us. Is that so? You're breastfeeding. No, it's not serious.
Nyenderinga hub. Irimu erive Kampala, irimu erive Sembabule, irimu erive Kalangala, irimu eriva ekunganzo lye Rwanda, Congo, wa batukira mu Nyenda abasinga. Baina stopover. So there are high chances of human trafficking and high chances of defilement and rape. Nature ya Nyendo yennyini wogitunuulira emugoteko mungi. Omugoteko guno nti abantu ennyumba ziri zya mugoteko. So abantu abeera mugoteko ebiseera ebisinga babeera bamenyi b'amateeka. Era tufunye cases za defilement nyingi, cases za rape nyingi, cases of trafficking abaana nyingi mu Nyendo.
In Masaka main prison, where we keep most of these inmates, the capital offenders, the most common offenses are aggravated defilement. We have a total of 492, followed by rape. Rape, we have a total of 115 at the Masaka main prisons, giving a grand total of 607. So it is a very big verse.
The challenge we have at the moment is a spike in the crime committed by juveniles. They are juveniles, they are young by age, but they are by acts they are not. So we have a challenge in dealing with them. but when you move around the CBD of Masaka, majority of the crime, general crime, is being committed by those juveniles who are either used by the adults behind them. And when I contacted the remand home the other day, I got a fear because they were saying their place again is full to capacity.
Police officers and usually prison, they approach us to shelter victims and also juveniles. However, we don't have a remand home. Probably we are also accommodated by the ministry, and also our proposal is put to the highest command so that we can get a rehabilitation center, a remand home in Masaka region.
Tusuubira okubanga tuwangana amagezi n'okutraininga poliisi engeri gy'okulwanyisaamu obutabanguko mu maka, engeri gy'okutangira obutabanguko mu maka n'okukabasanya kw'abaana kugase n'okukusibwa kw'abantu.
It's my opinion that we should go beyond addressing or fire brigading, because it has already happened. We are now coming in to counsel the victim and then give him justice and also penalize or punish the perpetrator. Okay, it has already happened. How do we prevent it from happening? So I will request Okoa Sentinel that please let the package extend to including also addressing the root causes of such acts of human rights violation. Even we, statutory agencies, at times we suffer from gender-based violence in our homes. All that at times we don't report, especially this male gender here. Suffers a lot, but does not report. But the other gender, for them they have the leverage to go and report and they are assisted. So please, let us try to look at how to address the root causes.
Emisango gino egy'okukusa abantu gibadde gikendeddemukko okusinziira ate ku myaka giri emabega, nga kino tukiteeka ku basirikale baffe aba police, prison ne UPDF okulaba nga bakoze butaweera okulaba nga balwanyisa emize gino okubeera mu bitundu byaffe. Era twebaza ne training zino eziba zitujjamu, kubanga zino training zitwongeramu nnyo nazo okulaba nti tuba tutakwasaganya bulungi nga twongeramu obukugu. Era twebaza Okoa ne Sentinel Foundation okulaba nga babeera nga batuwa omwaganya okulaba nga tuyiga okuva gye bali.
Nsaba n'abaami abafuna violence mu bufumbo bwabwe baleme kwebaka eyo nga banyigirizibwa. Abaami biseera ebisinga batya okweraga nga bagamba bajja kusekerebwa, naye ofiisi zaffe zigule era tubaaniriza ne tubakolako bulungi.